Hi, welcome everyone. I am A. Raghu and I have cleared this UPSC exam with an All India rank of 672 this time. And it's a privilege and it's a time to show my gratitude to who all was instrumental in my success. So this is my second attempt, and in the first attempt I have cleared my prelims but I couldn't get through the mains, and in the second attempt thankfully I have crossed the line. So starting from the help which I've got from here, so they have assisted me in the personality test, which is the final phase of the exam, and it was really helpful as they bring in a lot of prominent personalities to get a real understanding of how the real interview would be. So that immensely helped me, and to understand the communication gap which was already present. So you generally do not used to talk with huge personalities like that. So once you get to know them, and once you get a practice of that, it would be really helpful for you in the actual interview. So that was really helpful for me. And apart from that, all the staffs who are involved in this whole process is very conducive, and they keep you very comfortable with all the process, starting from assisting you in getting here, and to how the process how the whole thing pans out. So they have been very helpful. It's a time for me to show my gratitude to them, I guess. And now apart from that, to run you through my journey. So as I've told you, this is my second attempt. So I have studied for the past 3 years, and I'll just take a few minutes to share my insights. So the first thing is, I think it's a deal of being consistent and being perseverant, and also patient enough to wait for things to fall in your places. So you shouldn't rush through anything, and as everyone knows, this is a bit tedious and a tiring thing to do, because it exhausts you in the process. And if you really have to stay in it with all your passion, then you just have to focus on the process more. And instead of thinking about the results, and instead of being afraid about the results, you should trust yourself. You should trust your external forces like the mentors and the institutes which help you, and also the process which you undergo. There will be time of disbeliefs, and there will be time of doubting yourself, but it's people who overcome it who will ultimately cross the line. So in that process also, I would say, stars aligned in my way, and that's the reason I'm sitting in front of you. It's not that people who unfortunately couldn't clear the line, I would not say that I'm something above them. So it's just that luck favored me this time, and I was able to do it. But for luck to favor you, you'll have to work hard. So only people who work hard and who are ready to put in all the effort wholeheartedly, luck will favor them. So having said that, I would say everyone have to be perseverant, everyone have to be patient enough, and everyone have to put in the hard work and trust the process wholeheartedly. So that at one point of time they'll definitely reap the dividends they have paid off. That is what I would like to say in my journey. And to be specific about my preparation and the strategy which I followed, I would say UPSC has a perfectly planned and organized strategy, which once you capture it, it becomes easy for you to do it. So I personally think that all these three things are integrated. That is, the prelims, mains and interview, it is integrated. Though you can tweak your preparation specifically targeting a particular thing, but on a whole it's very integrated. So the main purpose of you should never forget the main purpose of entering into this arena. So once you get into the groove, you start to prepare yourself, you start to enhance yourself day by day. And having said that, I would also say it's never a destination. It's about the it's about the path you take to destination. So I would say you'll have to do all these things, and my preparation strategy was also the same. I focused on everything parallelly. I did not leave out anything, starting from covering every subject to the minute things which I covered in every subject. So I had an integrated approach, thinking about the interview only. And just before the prelims, I'll start particularly focusing on I'll study from the perspective of prelims, and then on mains I'll study particularly on the perspective of mains. But on a whole, I think everything is integrated. It's just that the way of studying all these things differ, but the content is the same. And so this has been my journey, and I think I've shown my gratitude towards all the people who have been really instrumental in my success. And I would also say that this is never the end, and the end never comes to anyone. So it's a whole process. You'll have to enhance yourself day by day. You'll have to improve yourself day by day. So I still think I have a lot of things to improve on myself, so that I really become good and competitive enough. So I really want to thank everyone, and people who have been consistently watching all these videos, and people who have been a real follower of all these things. What I would finally say is, trust yourself, trust the mentor. If the mentor can navigate you in the right direction, you just have to rely on him wholeheartedly. And at time, it might be difficult for you to take the same path, but ultimately you will reach your destination. So that is what I would say. So be confident. If anyone can crack this exam, I personally think if you have all the traits like self-belief and being confident, ready to put in the hard work along with the smart work, anyone can crack this exam, I guess. So I would really like to thank everyone for my success, and I would really congratulate and wish all the best to all the people who are watching this. And I really hope success and the process also remains in contact with you. So thank you.